I wish I could tell you that I want you here with me, but you'll never love me like the way we used to be. Too far from Saturn, lost in the patterns. Where's the stars align so we could be free? Palms are sweaty, knees.
So to start this look, we're just priming our eyes with the P. Louise base. This one is a little mini one and it's in shade 1. Now we're taking the Gothic palette and we're taking this shade here, which is called Phantom and Serpent, and we're starting out with these two colours. I'm laying down my darkest colour first and I'm just kind of mapping out the kind of shape that I want. So I'm just blending in this shade and I'm blending in the Serpent shade as well on top of it. Going back and forth, making sure everything's really nice and blended. Changing brushes as I'm doing it. I'm taking a mixture of the Peaches brushes, Jessup brushes and a Mitchell brush as well. Now we're taking the blank canvas and we are just going to basically cut our crease a little bit with this, but we're going to keep that dark purple as well. So I'm not bringing it up too high, but we're just kind of neatening that up. Now we're going to go in with this shimmer, which is called Peaceful, and we're also going to take the light shimmer as well and we're going to put that in the inner corner and we're just going to kind of blend this in together. And I'm just putting this down with my fingers because it's just so much easier. These are super sparkly pigments, so the glitter goes absolutely everywhere, but it's absolutely stunning. Actually, I had to wear this look on the school run, so that's how I know. I got loads of compliments on it. Now I'm just taking the Inglot gel liner and we're just doing a little bit of liner on the lids there. I'm just going in with a little bit of mascara as well. This one is from, I think it's a 2-in-1 Max Factor one. Now I'm just taking the Rimmel Lasting Perfection foundation in the shade Ivory. So I'm just putting down a bit of this foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. It's such a nice finish as well and it's got good coverage. Now we're taking our Lily Duro concealer and we're just going to brighten up all the areas that we want to brighten up a little bit. As well as doing this, we are also going to take Doll Beauty bronzing wand stick, contour wand even, and this is in the shade Light and we're just going to contour some of the areas. I'm just using my little Doll Beauty brush here and I'm also using a Real Techniques brush to blend out all that bronzer. Now taking my Peaches setting powder, which is absolutely done, it's absolutely cracked now, so I'm going to have to move on to another one that I love. We're going to go in with a little bit of our trusty Hoola bronzer and we're just going over all that cream bronzer. And we're taking these trusted Demi Wispies by Ardell. Haven't worn these in ages and I seen that it was the last set on the packet, so I thought I may as well just put these on. Now we're just taking these eyeliner pencils. I got these from TikTok Shop, guys. It is also on my showcase if you want to go and check out my TikTok. And I'm just putting that in my waterline. I'm just going in with Praline Lip Liner by Peaches and Revolution Lipstick in Absolutely Flawless. Then the Revolution Pout Bomb in Candy. We're just taking the Pretty Glow Better's Dull Beauty. It's a kind of shimmery blush, to be fair, and this one is in High Flying. Go really nice with this eye look. And that is basically this look. I hope you guys love. I absolutely had a fantastic time playing with this palette, and I'm going to play with another one soon, so stay tuned for that. Bye.